Sangrongsalni Simi salthamni bagai Rwjakha agulini kaisa hotel Chengsawi Rwjakha filtham beremi international buyer seller made of Agarwood products. Pandawa Naroyo Khorang manjaka hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Saha. Pandawa hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Saha no karibo manjaka hasteni chief secretary J.K. Singha, bolong bedekni PCCF Dr. B.J. Jannar, bolong bedekni additional director S.P. Yadav no khobai, bolong bedekni kubun Azamarok. Pandani puila bukhakno agor buphang bai shnamjak display khlaijak dalbidal mani khani rok berai naikha pandawa manjak nai narwai rok pandawa kok sanani thangai hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Saha shakha.
Yes, I feel you have chosen a right sector and right place to further expand your footprint. This is the first and largest gathering of Agarwood stakeholders in India, as I have been told, although it is being held every year. You must be aware that in all discussions across the world, whenever talk of quality of Agarwood sector is held, quality of Indian Agarwood is considered to be the best compared to the Agarwood from other South Asian countries. This is evident from the fact that the name of the city where you are sitting already regarding this matter, our Secretary already have mentioned that our Honorable Prime Minister already had mentioned this, that the name of Agartala, only because of this huge number of Agarwood was grown in Agartala. And this matter, once I made him, then I told him, most probably from that, he came to know that Agartala is being named only because of the Agarwood. So our state tree is agar tree, you know. Our state tree is agar tree. The best quality of agarwood is probably produced in our state. In India, Assam is the state where agarwood is being grown in abundance, and Tripura is second as far as agarwood resources are concerned. It is reported there are about 15,000 growers fully dependent on agarwood related activities, and some of them have come over here. In Tripura, we have plenty of agar trees, and that too in private land. Despite this fact, this sector was neglected over the years. Our growers were not getting the right price for their products. Forest rules were complicated to do business in agar. They were unable to get the latest available technology for artificial inoculation, etc. Due to our exploitation in the past, Government of India put this species in a list of endangered species. Because of this, official export of agarwood product is not allowed under cities, that is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna International Agreement, which deals with endangered species. Because of this, our growers and processors were involved in this business through informal channels. Now we want everyone to do this business with pride and through formal process. That is why Tripura becomes the first state not only to notify the agarwood policy but also to implement its prescription in true spirit. Our government has taken a series of steps, and now I can say you can legally do the business here.
Pasalni Pandawa manjangnai TRPC ni chairman Patal Koina Jomatiate, Patal Hastini Faiza Kubun Ozamarok, Chashal Sarik Zora Tongnai Opanda, Rwjakha agulini Simi Probini Kokthum, Chini Khorang.